what's up YouTube? I'm back. This is going to be the video to cover S10 Traction Bar assembly. So if you go to the website, I've added this now. This is a complete setup that you can buy. It's going to come powder coated. This is that BK08 color that I use as my standard. All the silver hardware with the nice shiny aluminum spacers and parts and pieces. So you're going to be able to pick your traction bar front plate. It will have either 3 holes or 1 hole. Remember, this is kind of like that street edition one. It'll give you more clearance to the ground. 3 holes would be like if you wanted to switch between radials and slicks. That's just totally up to you, personal preference there. If you're on street and on radials, you're probably using that hole anyways. It's going to come with a clevis, either 9/16 for your poly bushing style clevis, or it'll be a 1/2 inch hole, which will be like your bearing, AFCO, shock, Viking, similar. You're going to get the proper bolt and spacers, which I covered in the other video that's also linked in the description. So that all should make sense from there. There's your 5/8 bolt with your 5/8 rod end, spacers, match all that stuff up. Rear bolts for your 1/2 inch hole rod ends. Left is at the back, the hex is at the back, so I think it's easier to reach there. It's not easy to reach in either position, but I think it's better there. Your traction bar spring plate, standard holes in the back there, but what you do is you bolt the clevis to the back of the spring plate, and that's how you get your shock, right? So your shock will be mounted into that position there, going backwards. So as you can see, I can't even put all the bolts on, so it falls apart. It's great. That's how you know it's legitimate YouTube stuff there. So there you go. There's all the parts and pieces that you're going to get with this assembly. So if you have any questions, let me know, but those will be the options. 3 bolts, 1 bolt, and what style clevis. Okay, till next time.